Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about the difference between the two branches of economics, that is the difference between micro and macroeconomics. So let us start with the meaning. Microeconomics वो branch है economic theory की which studies the behavior of individual units. Individual units such as individual markets or the markets for particular goods such as the market for wheat or the market for rice, and it deals with the consumers of a particular market, the producers of a particular market. So basically the I in microeconomics stands for individual, and macroeconomics is that branch of economic theory which deals with the aggregates of the economy. इसमें हम पूरी की पूरी इकोनॉमी की बात करते हैं. We talk about concepts such as national income or employment of the country. Here we are talking about the compilation or the summation of the entire economy. Next is tools, and the tools we use in microeconomics are demand and supply. Obviously, demand and supply of a particular market. And in macroeconomics, we talk about the aggregate demand and aggregate supply, which means the demand of the entire nation of all goods and services and the supply of entire nation for all the goods and services. In microeconomics, our basic objective is to determine the price of a commodity or factors of production. हम एक मार्केट की बात कर रहे हैं, उसी की डिमांड और सप्लाई की बात कर रहे हैं, और डिमांड और सप्लाई को यूज करके हम कमोडिटीज या फिर सर्विसेज का प्राइस डिटरमाइन करते हैं. Along with that, we also determine the price of factors of production. There are two factors of production, labor and capital. In macroeconomics, we talk about determining the income and employment level of the economy. पूरी की पूरी इनकम इकोनॉमी की, दैट इज द जीडीपी एंड एम्प्लॉयमेंट. जब हम कहते हैं कि कंट्री में अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट रेट इतना चल रहा है या एम्प्लॉयमेंट इतने रेट से बढ़ गई है, देन वी आर टॉकिंग about the concepts of macroeconomics. Now in microeconomics, the degree of aggregation is very limited because we are only talking about a particular market, और उसके अंदर जितने consumers और producers हैं हम सिर्फ उन्हीं को aggregate करेंगे. Whereas in macroeconomics, we talk about the entire nation, the entire economy. So the aggregation is at its highest degree. Now in microeconomics, the basic assumption is that all the variables of macroeconomics are constant. Economics जो है, it is all based on assumptions. All the economic models are also based on assumptions. So in microeconomics, we assume कि macroeconomics के सारे variables constant है, और in macroeconomics, we assume that all the variables of microeconomics are constant. The other name for microeconomics is price theory, because it aims to determine the price of particular goods, and the other name for macroeconomics is income and employment theory, because इसमें हम लोग GDP और unemployment rate पर focus करते हैं. Examples microeconomics के, for example individual income, individual output. Macroeconomics में examples national income, national output. So this is all about micro and macroeconomics from Sandeep Garg. Thank you.